what do you think about India's prospects about in this coming?
I mean, cricket coming to New York couldn't have been better, a better place. And actually, New York is going to be a really awesome experience for the folks in New York too, to see the Indian team. I'm sure they're going to be enjoying it. Port Lauderdale, I think they already played there, so it's going to be great there too. But I think the Indian team would have a great time playing in New York and Port Lauderdale.
Yeah, I think the South County Cricket Club has been constructed grounds up. It was basically a flat piece of ground. They stood up the entire stadium in 5 months. And as soon as the Cricket World Cup is going to get over, they are going to disband it. The only point of contention over here which I see is that they opened the stadium on May 15th, which is barely 15 days back. There was no testing of the ground done. They could have played some local games over there. As you can see, the crowd is really happy about it. And most of them are Indian diaspora, Pakistani, Bangladeshis, Caribbean. Crowd is really happy. The vibe is really good. So coming back to Indian prospects, I think there was a statement given by the head coach Rahul Dravid and the captain Rohit Sharma that they were not quite happy with the facilities that have been provided to them. And I think one of the reasons was that ground is untested. The pitch is a drop-in pitch which they have exported from Australia, and it has been dropped in. But really, no warm-up matches has been played. As we speak today, the first warm-up game happened between India and Bangladesh, which India won comfortably. But the ground and the pitch has not been really tested. And to put India a full member test playing nation, and that too a major powerhouse in cricket on that pitch, I think it's a big deal. So we are really, I think everyone, including us, we are really looking forward to the India versus Pakistan game. And but before that, India is going to play Ireland. So let's see how it turns up. Coming on to the batting front, I think a few of the players have not been performing very well in the IPL, but everyone, including both of us, we are thinking, and the crowd in general are thinking, that they will turn around the tide, and players like Rohit Sharma, Rishabh Pant, even Hardik Pandya, who has been facing real flack from the public out there, especially Mumbai Indians public and the other people back in India, I think he will turn around the tide and he will perform in the national club. So that was a brief that we wanted to share, and with that, Samin, you wanted to share anything else that comes up to your mind?
I'll just say good luck to the Indian team. I'm sure they'll really do well in this particular tournament. I think as well as you said, a few of the players are still not in the great form, but I think they start well this particular tournament with the warm-up game. I'm sure they're going to go peak at the right time, and hopefully they'll win this particular World Cup. Good luck to the Indian team.
I hope that the vibe continues. We are here to support the Indian team. Indian-Pakistan game is already sell out. Actually, all the Indian games, the 4 games that are going to be played on the US soil are all sell out. And as you can see by the crowd over here, that it's massive. The cricket over here in US is getting massive response, and it's a really momentous, historic moment for us to witness this history and to be a part of it. With that, we would like to sign off, and we would like to wish all the viewers of Cricket Next all the best. Thank you. Good luck.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज,
सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म,
क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।